Okay, ready? Good morning. This is Capri and Taya speaking. It is August 22nd, 2013. A volcano in Guatemala has just erupted. It seems to be one of the largest eruptions with an explosion altitude of 2,800 meters and active lava flow. It has already killed around 300 people and yet is more to come.
While there are many different types of volcanoes, including cinder cones, which are smaller, and shield volcanoes that are more dome-shaped, the Santa Maria is a stratovolcano with a height of 3,772 meters. It is okay. The Santa Maria is a stratovolcano with a height what? Okay. Santa Maria is a stratovolcano with a height of 3,772 meters and is located in Guatemala. The Santa Maria volcano The Santa Maria volcano, however, has not erupted since October of 1902. Most volcanoes produce lava and gases into the atmosphere, but locals say the Santa Maria has been producing large amounts of ash, explosions, pyroclastic flows, and of course, searing hot magma. While all volcanoes are similar in that they all produce lava, not every eruption is the same, because depending on the type of volcano and the composition of the lava, some may be more explosive and others are not.
Oh my goodness, Taya!
Guatemala is one of the most biologically diverse countries in the world, with multiple ecosystems consisting of forests, rainforests, wetlands, and coastal environments. Volcano eruption coming to Guatemala, there would be many negative effects, such as widespread ashfall, damaged crops all around, and respiratory issues due to breaking in volcano smog. Past volcanoes have harmed the human population very negatively because it caused things like crop failure, disease outbreak, and climate disruptions. So be careful, stay safe, and prepared.
Signals that may indicate a volcanic eruption may include earthquakes, swelling in the ground, surface, and changes in heat flow. While there have been many signals, no one was able to see this coming. Stay clear of downwind and river valleys downstreams. Please follow the local authorities' instructions and stay away from the immediate danger zone, secondary danger zone, and the territory zone. Since the time of the eruption, small towns like the area of El Palmar have already been destroyed.
As a recap, make sure to stay out of buildings and homes and evacuate to the nearest evacuation routes, as it is unclear how much longer the volcano will continue to erupt. Stay safe out there.